Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Okay, today our topic of discussion is packages in Java. In last lectures, we have been discussed about the classes, objects, constructors, abstract classes, interfaces, inheritance, and now packages. What is package? Here we define the package. Package are Java's way of grouping a variety of class and or interfaces together. Means when you will create your own classes, uh, you will have different classes in your program, so you can group all the classes within a single container, and that single container is known as package. Package is actually a container for the classes where you can store, where you can put different classes which are may similar to each other due to the functionality. सपोज़ आपने डिफरेंट क्लासेस बनाए हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन उनका फंक्शनैलिटी जो है वो सेम है, उनका पर्पस जो है वो समवट सेम है, ठीक है। तो आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि यू कैन ग्रुप देम इन अ सिंगल कंटेनर एंड दैट सिंगल कंटेनर इज़ नोन एज अ पैकेज। जावा में आपके पास बिल्ट इन पैकेजेस भी अवेलेबल है, रेडीमेड पैकेजेस अवेलेबल है, ठीक है, जिनको हम जावा एपीआई पैकेजेस कहते हैं। सो पैकेजेस आर जावाज वे ऑफ ग्रुपिंग अ वैरायटी ऑफ क्लासेस एंड और इंटरफेसेस टुगेदर, ठीक है। सो जावा पैकेज क्या है? इट इज़ एक्चुअली a container है where you can group together many classes of your own choice. Okay, in Java there are so many built-in packages which are available to you, so that you can when you want to program, uh, when you want to include a programming coding, so you can import those packages, or you can import packages or some specific classes within that package, ठीक है। Java API packages. Java API provides a large number of classes grouped into different packages according to the functionality, ठीक, यानी Java API जो है ये क्या करता है? Provides a large number of classes grouped into different packages according to the functionality, so that आप जो frequently used API packages हैं उनको easily आप अपने प्रोग्राम में import कर सकें according to the functionality, आप उनको अपने प्रोग्राम का हिस्सा बना सकें, ठीक है। सो frequently used API packages हमारे पास कौन कौन से हैं? You can see here in the diagram. Here is the Java main package structure. You can see lang is a package, right? Utility, here we write it util is a package, IO is a package, auth is a package, net is a package, and applet is a package. These are all built-in packages, and within these packages classes are given. So many different classes are given to you. Whenever you need a specific class of a specific package, you will import that package or that class or a specific method from that class as well. Okay, so now let us have a look on these packages, what does they do or where we can use them. So here java.lang, it is language support classes. This package, what does it do? It support the classes. These are classes that Java compiler itself uses, and therefore they are automatically imported. They include classes for primitive types, strings, math function, threads, and exceptions. Okay, this package is by default available to you. If you don't import it, it is already will be imported to your Java application when you are doing your programs, when you are creating your programs. You will, okay, in Java lang package Here are classes which are required for the compiler. Okay, whenever you will compile your program, you will need some built-in. Okay, and so these classes are required for the compilation of a program. They include classes for primitive types, string and math function, thread and exception. Okay, threads and exception, we will discuss them in our incoming classes. But primitive types means the data types like float, int, char, strings, and these data types they are available in the packages in the classes, and these classes are the part of the .ling package, so you will need it whenever you will write a program. So these are the basic classes. They are stored in the .ling package and you don't need to import it. वैसे तो क्लास को इंपोर्ट करना पड़ता है, सॉरी पैकेज को इंपोर्ट करना पड़ता है, ठीक है, लेकिन java.ling जो पैकेज है इसके लिए आपको इंपोर्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट इज़ ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्लूडेड with your program, right? Okay, the next is java.util. This contains what utility classes such as vectors, hash tables, random numbers, date etc. type. अच्छा, इन क्लासेस में आपके पास इन इस पैकेज में सम अदर क्लासेस मौजूद है स्पेशल टाइप के, लाइक डेट क्लास हो गया, random number class हो गया, hash table class हो गया. We will discuss them one by one later on कि what are these classes and why we use them, ठीक है. java.io means input output support classes. इस पैकेज में आपके पास IO related classes जो है वो मौजूद हैं. They provide facilities for the input and output of the data, ठीक है. अगर आप some input करते हैं to the program and you want some output from the program, actually IO streams जो हैं वो इस java.io पैकेज का पार्ट है, ठीक है. Okay, java.8, a set of classes for implementing graphical user interfaces. They include classes for windows, buttons, list, menus, and so on. Okay, whenever you want to write programs or implement the graphical user interface, अगर आप GUI applications लिखना चाहते हैं, ठीक है, like windows and buttons and windows with buttons, list and menus and some other controls, so you need to import a java.art class in your program, ठीक है. तो ये क्लासेस तमाम के तमाम जो GUI इंटरफेस से रिलेटेड है वो java.art पैकेज में मौजूद हैं. Okay, java.net, this package contains classes for networking. That includes classes for communicating with local computer as well as with the internet servers. इस पैकेज में आपके पास जो क्लासेस हैं वो तमाम के तमाम इंटरनेट और नेटवर्किंग से रिलेटेड जो प्रोग्रामिंग है, ठीक है, उसके लिए आपको क्लासेस java.net पैकेज में अवेलेबल है. You can import them if you require them. Java.applet, classes for creating and implementing applets. Applet is the most important feature of the Java programming. It is Java applets are it is internet programming. I will tell you later on. But whenever you want to use applets in your program, you will import the java.applet package in your program. Okay, so these are the basic packages which are available in Java. You need to import them. Okay, now here how you can import a package, how you can make it a part of your program. Here is syntax for importing a package. आप देख सकते हैं. Here import package name and then dot class name and then end with a semicolon, or import package name dot star. Now if you want to import some specific class of a particular package, so आपने फिर import के लिए ये जो first statement given है import, then it is followed by the package name and then dot class name, so it will import that specific class of the package with to your program. But if you want to import all the classes of the package, so you will need then import package name dot star. Dot star mean all the classes within the package. Okay, these are known as import statements and must appear in the top of the file before any file declaration, as you can see in our examples. Here I will tell you here. Here is the import keyword. Okay, import kya hai? Import is the reserved word and package name is the package which are available either in Java or either you have made your own packages. Okay, the first statement allows the specified class in the specified package to be imported. Okay, here is an example. You look at it. Java.art is what it is a package. Import is, and we are importing color class. We are importing the color class from the java.art package. ठीक है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? अभी हमने पढ़ा था कि java.art जो है that is a package for the GUI graphical user interface. So that color is a class. Color is a class within this package. So if you want to import the specific color class, you will write the statement import java.art and then dot color. Okay, now here you can see a variable y of type double is equal to java.len.math.square root of x. Now here uh, java.lang is the package, dot math is the class, and square root is the method of this math class. ठीक है, here you can see here lang is the package name, math is the class, and square root is a method. Okay, for creating your own package, you can write your own package. How you can do it? You will write the word package and then first package. Okay, first package is the package name here, and then you will start like this: public class and first class. Okay, so this class you are declaring is the part of your first package. It is included in your first package, right? This is your package, you are writing it, so your package name is first package and the class you have declared here is become a part of this package. Okay, so this was all about the packages. I will discuss the rest of the packages in my incoming lectures. Okay, thank you. If you are having any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.